Hello, welcome. Question 39, BECE 2025, Section A. In an examination, Abu answered 9 questions in 2 hours. He spent 20 minutes on the first question and the same time on each of the remaining questions. So how many minutes did he spend on each of the other questions? So let's see the from here and the same time which we are looking for. So the same time simply means that they are going to be an unknown. So we can use a variable to represent that time. Then if the first question he spent 20 minutes out of the 2 hours, it means we need to know the 2 hours also expressed in what? In minutes. So if you express it in minutes, that will be 120, right? 120, as you take away 20 from it, you are left with what? 100 minute. That 100 minutes is what he's going to spend the remaining 8 questions on equally. So let's see how many minutes. I think with that, you can be able to think of an answer by now. But let's put it into calculation. So let's see number of questions, which is going to be 9. Remaining question is going to be 8. I think 1 minus that. Then we have total time, which is 2 hours, and in minutes will be 120 minutes. All right. Then minutes spent or time spent on what? First question is given as what? 20 minutes. Then remaining time is going to be 120 minus what? 20 minutes. That gives us what? 100 minutes. So don't forget that we already know the first minute for the first question. So the remaining question is going to be 8. So let the variable, the time spent, the equal time be. So we can say let the equal time be what? Y. So that will imply that y into 8 places will be 8y equals to 100 minutes. So here your y will now be equals to 100 divided by 8. I can think of 4. 4 into 100, 25. 4 into 8, 2. And this will give you, let me bring it down. This will be giving you, if it is 24, 12. Then 12.5 what? Minutes. So let's check if we have the option in there, and this is going to be the option what? D as the preferred word choice. All right, we can pass through any other means. Just by observation, we can get the answer, and by solving, you can also pass through this or find your own way out. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.